Search soccer widgets in this box. You will get bunch of plugins. For now, install this one. Then click Activate. Plugin is activated. In left side of dashboard, find Soccer Widget section, hover mouse over it, then click Soccer Widgets. Now, select Language, select Data Type, and select Tournament. In my case, I am going with Premier League. Now, see we got table and shortcode too. Copy this shortcode and paste it in desired post or page. Load that page or post and see the result. Now, again try with matches and results. In the same way we will get shortcode. Paste it in load page. In any confusion, let me know via comment.